Okay, so what we have here is a bare metal operating system for the X86 platform, whether it's AMD or Intel. Right now, this hypervisor is running on Intel Haswell, fairly old SIM architecture, and basically, like I said, it is the world's first. This is okay. And what I'm going to do now is, if you want to put on your red-blue glasses, I will switch the system into holographic mode. Okay. So I'm gonna go put on my red-blue glasses. Just 1 minute. Okay, so right now you can see that the window is literally popping out of the screen if you have your red-blue glasses on. And you can also see that the background is all the way in the back. So that's the depth, basically. So I'm gonna go aerial. So you can see that this is a real thing. This actually is a real thing. There's no BS. So now what I'm gonna do is gonna go to piano, and I want to show you active windows. So the piano is active window, and you can see that the window that we were using, the text editor, is now flat, and the piano is actually popping out. So that's, and if I go click on here now, sorry, yeah, so now you can see when you, whichever window you're using as the focus, it's going to be hovering out of the screen, and the other windows that you're using will be flat on the desktop. So right now the text editor is hovering in space, and now we have the piano hovering over the text editor, it's take precedence. So that's basically how a holographic operating system would work. So I'm gonna go straight to the games, and there's only 2. Let's play some Holographic Breakout. And we can bump this up to 60 frames per second and make it like really fast, really challenging. But I just basically wanted to show you that this is a real thing. This is the world's first holographic operating system for, well, bare metals anyways. Using red-blue glasses that you can buy for a couple of bucks from Amazon. Okay, and now we'll go to a different game. No, I'm trying to close this. For some reason it's not closing. Okay, it's gone. Let's go to Star Patrol. Stardust, actually. So 3D Stardust, and as you can see, you know, it is popping out the window. And now we're going to look at some scripts. So basically using the scripting language that comes with this, you can basically write your own programs. And basically the operating system picks it up this is the one. Okay. Blue script is the name of the scripting language. Yeah. And so you can basically make windows pop out of the screen and give depth and everything. And I just want to show that this is true multitasking. So this is not, there's no BS here. So here we have a windowless cube rotating in front of your screen while you have windows doing things that are behind the screen. So if you have your red-blue glasses, you can see these effects. If you don't, it'll just look a little bit strange. So I have put the ISO, the X86 ISO on GitHub, and I've put a link in the under the video, so you can go to GitHub, you can download this, you can put it on a boot floppy, or you can load it up whichever way you want on your computer, and try it out. You'll just need some red-blue glasses. They're like $2-3 from Amazon, and you'll be able to view the holographic effect. So I think this is the next thing for gaming. I think not just for gaming, but applications, just having an operating system that is truly holographic without having to put on like this VR glasses or anything like that, without needing $500 to $1,000 hardware. You know, the glasses is like $2, and to have it, you know, be able to have all these capabilities, play games, you know, and do all of these things. It's quite amazing. So yeah, this is definitely a real thing. Can't seem to close the window, but that's okay. I'll make this one. And there's other applications and things like that. But for now, that's all I wanted to show. This primary. Okay, I don't want to make this video long. The ISO's there, you can play around with it, and you can use BlueScript to basically write scripts for that. I'll put the BlueScript documentation up on GitHub as well, and it'll explain everything. Okay, have a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think this is the next step for operating systems. They should be holographic. And it will be a boon for gaming as well. Have a great day.